Hey, so I'm on day 1 of the Cambridge diet. What time is it? It's almost going up to 1 o'clock. So I have drunk 4 litres of water. I've had my porridge for breakfast. And I also tried in one of the litres of water the flavoured, like the pineapple flavouring that you can add to your water. And to be honest with you, I've got a really sweet tooth, and I found it to be quite sweet, which is crazy. So I think I will reduce the measurement next time. But yes, I had one with the flavouring, and then the rest I just had just as plain water. And I'm not a big water drinker, but yeah, I was fine. And what I did find though is I was living in the toilet, like literally. And the crazy thing is, we're also having work done in the bathroom, so the tiler was in the main bathroom and the downstairs toilet doesn't have a door. So my husband was having to hold a sheet at the door it felt like every 15 minutes, because the builders are downstairs as well. So he was having to protect my modesty and have the sheet up while I was using it. But yeah, I've been in and out of that toilet way too many times. So hopefully that will get better. So I've been told when you increase your water intake that's it takes a while to settle. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, my thoughts on the porridge. I had the golden syrup, I think it was, and I wasn't keen. Literally, it had lumps. Probably I didn't make it correctly, but it had lumps. It was quite runny as well. So I messaged my consultant just to check in and just show that I've had my breakfast for the day, or my first product for the day. And just mentioned that, yeah, it was lumpy and quite runny. And what she said was do it with cold water next time. So the instructions says to do it with hot water. So I will give that a go. But it smelled good. I'm used to having the Quaker porridge, instant porridge that you just put milk into the sachet and then chuck it in the microwave. I'm used to that. So I was like, okay, this is probably going to be like that, but it wasn't. So yeah, when I get back from my walk, I'm going to have, I think, a cherry Bakewell Bar. See how that goes. I'm still trying to get my head around how a bar can be my meal. I don't know how that's gonna sustain me, but we will see. But yes, do you know what, I'm just going all in with this. I literally am going all in to see results, because that's the only way you're gonna see results, is if you just throw yourself in. Literally with my third mouthful of porridge, I was like, I can't do this. And I thought to myself, Shalina, what are you really going to do? You have paid your money, you've talked it up, told everyone what you're doing. So get yourself together. Yeah, my hair's a whole mess. I've got a hairdresser's appointment on the 4th. So looking forward to that. And my birthday's coming up, so I think in the video before I mentioned I'll just wait to start because my birthday's coming up, and I'm gonna want to have a meal and blah blah blah. Yeah, somehow I signed up, and now I'm oh gosh, what am I gonna do for my birthday? So I will have a chat with Debbie, who's my consultant, and just see what recommendations or what does she suggest for special occasions. How do you juggle being on plan with a celebration. So yeah, yeah, day one. Maybe I'll do another vlog later on, let you know my thoughts on the bar, and then I don't know, maybe for my next product, I think I've just ordered a blender. I have a blender, but everything's packed away at the moment, so I've just ordered like one of those 20 quid ones that you can just like use on the go. So I need to go to Argos to collect that. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a shake or a smoothie. What will that be? That will be, so I had the porridge, I'm gonna have the bar, I'll do the shake and a smoothie, and then maybe chicken noodle soup. Sounds good? Sounds good to me. Yeah, I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. All right. Hey, back with a super quick video. I just wanted to try the cherry Bakewell bar for you. My first impressions of it. This is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like inside. Okay, this is good. I see what they're working with. This is good. And that's it. The inside of it. I can definitely taste the almond. It's got like a chewy consistency. I think I'm going to get on well with these. Yeah, this is really cool. So what this video didn't show was that mouthful like took forever to chew and swallow. Like, it's ridiculously chewy, and yeah, it just wasn't pleasant after the initial first taste. I struggled to eat the whole bar. I think I only was able to eat half of it, and then I planned to kind of have the remainder after my final meal that evening. But I just couldn't even bring myself to have it. I just ended up chucking it in the bin. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way around that bar, because I think I have some more in my products for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and make it work.